says he likes me, guess I like him. But it's funny, cause I'm not big on relationships. I'm more down for the flirt. All my friends say it's a problem. Nah, I'd just rather not get hurt. Cause I can't take my feelings and I can't trust my heart. So I'll never take my chances, cause I know I'll break apart. I hate the mushy shit and I tell it how it is and boom, I wish that I was kidding, but I'm not good at listening, so I don't want someone missing me. I'm so unpredictable, one day I'm irresistible, the next I hate myself, never good for someone else. So I try to stay away, don't want them dealing with my brain, but suddenly they got me folding, cause I only